Yo, what's up guys? So today we are going to be talking about time frames and day trading. So there are various time frames you can trade for. You can trade on a 1 minute, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, or even daily, but I don't know who they trade using the daily chart. For us, we don't need hundreds of time frames. We just need one. So pick one time frame that you're going to be checking. I remember I talked about the entry conditions where you just wait for a breakout, or maybe you are waiting for a close on a moving average. Depending on your preference of trading, you are going to choose a single time frame. That is the time frame you will be using to look for at all other your setups for your entry conditions. So once you pick a time frame, we are not doing top down analysis and things like that. You just need one time frame. Okay, you don't need hundreds of time frames. I told you are not in the prediction business. So pick a time frame, then stick with it. Delete all other time frames that are at the top there. So in MT4 there are time frames which usually appear there depending on if you have selected or you have customized your chart to look like that. You just need one time frame. That's what I'm saying, that you're going to be using to check your entry setups. So let me now talk about the types of time frames. So in day trading, since you are using a raw account where you are paying commissions, it's advisable you pick the 30 minutes or the 1 hour time frame, depending on the weight of the chart of the pair. I mean, if the candles, the ADR, the average true range or of a candle in the H1 is bigger compared to maybe it's higher or maybe it's smaller. What am I saying now? Okay, pick for strong pairs like gold, NASO 100, which have candles for 30 minutes that are quite big. It's advisable you use the H1. For pairs that have candles, that one time frame candles, or maybe the candles are quite small, just use the H1, like the Swiss dollar, the dollar Swiss. Those are pairs which are not quite heavy, so it's advisable you check your setups on that, but it's up to you. You can choose. The problem with the M15, M1, M5 is the commissions you are going to be paying. So the commissions tend to be very high and a lot, so you need to pay a lot of consideration in the the time frame you pick. So it's advisable you take the higher time frames. Stay away from the M15 and the M5 and the M1, because you are going to be finding that the profit that you are making, a large chunk, is it's going to be eaten by the broker, because compared to somebody who is trading the breakouts on the H1 and the M30, the range between the stop loss and the entry can be maybe 50 pips. You on an M15 or an M5, the difference between the high and the low, it's going to be maybe 100, not 100, but I mean 15 pips. So when you're opening a lot size on those setups or on that entry, you're going to be finding you're going to be using a very high lot on the M15, the M5 and the M1 compared on the H1 and the M30. So you'll be saving a lot of money on the commissions, because we are not going to be trading a lot since it's day trading. I know people think that since I'm scalping, but I'll show you can scalp without entering 100 trades. So I take a lot of trades on different pairs, not the same pair, many trades. So I hope that is clear. So yeah, that's all about time frame. If I left out anything, I'll talk about it later, but yeah, we'll go full circle on it. So that's all for this video. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and I'll keep dropping more videos. That's all.